Bilal, have you ever studied an English word, used it once, and then completely forgot it the next day?
Every student has.
You spend hours studying vocabulary. You make notes, you highlight words.
And then the exam comes, or the interview, or the teacher asks.
And the word is gone.
If this is your story, you are not alone, and you are not stupid.
You just don't know how memory works.
Today, we will explain everything. Simple, clear, step by.
Let me explain something called the forgetting curve.
Forgetting curve? What is that?
A scientist named Ebbinghaus discovered this. He studied memory, and he found something shocking.
What?
After 20 minutes, you forget 40% of what you learned.
Really?
After 1 day, you forget 70%.
70%?
After 1 week, almost 90% is gone.
So studying once is useless?
Almost. This is why students study the same words again and again and still forget.
So what is the solution?
2 things. Number 1, learn words the right way. Number 2, review at the right time. Let me ask you something. How do you study new English words right now? Do you write them in a list? Do you repeat them 10 times? Do you just read them? If your answer is any of these, you are using the wrong method, and that is why you forget. Keep watching. We will show you the right way.
So Bilal, what is the right way?
3 secrets. Secret number 1, connect the word to a feeling or story.
Feeling?
Yes, your brain remembers emotion, not information.
Explain, please.
Okay, new word, anxious. It means nervous or worried. Now, don't just write it. Remember a moment when you felt anxious. Maybe exam day, maybe result day, maybe when teacher called your name.
Oh, like that feeling in your stomach.
Exactly. Now say, I felt anxious on my result day.
I felt anxious on my result day.
Now you will never forget that word because it has a memory attached.
That is actually brilliant.
Secret number 2, use the word same day 3 times.
3 times?
Say it in a sentence, write it in a sentence, use it in conversation.
Say it in a sentence, write it in a sentence, use it in conversation.
Yes, talk to yourself in English. It is not crazy, it is practice.
Secret number 3, review at the right time. This is called spaced repetition. What does that mean?
You review the word after 1 day, after 3 days, after 7 days, after 30 days.
So you see the word 4 times total.
Yes, but at the right intervals. Your brain thinks, this word keeps coming back. It must be important. I should keep it.
Like tricking your brain.
Exactly.
Okay, let's practice together right now. New word, determined. It means you strongly want to achieve something.
Use it in a sentence, Fatima.
I am determined to improve my English.
Good. Now you try. Viewer, pause the video right now. Say this sentence out loud. I am determined to speak English confidently. Did you say it? Say it again, louder.
Every time you speak a word, your brain connects it deeper.
Quick question for you. Do you have a vocabulary notebook? If yes, how many words are in it? Most students have 200, 300, 500 words written, but they cannot use even 50 of them.
Why?
Because writing alone is not enough. You must speak, you must connect, you must review.
So how should a student practice every day?
I call this the 3-word daily system. Simple, easy, it works.
Explain it.
Every morning, learn 3 new words. Not 30, not 10, just 3.
Only 3?
Yes, because 3 words done properly beats 30 words forgotten by evening.
Okay, then what?
Step 1, learn the word. Say it out loud. Step 2, make a personal sentence with feeling. Step 3, use it in conversation that day, even once. Step 4, at night, write the 3 words from memory.
From memory? Without looking?
Yes, this tells you did you really learn it or just see it.
That test at the end is smart.
In 30 days, that is 90 words. Words you actually know. Words you can actually use.
90 strong words is better than 500 forgotten ones.
100%.
Bilal, I want to say something to the students watching.
Yes?
Some of you feel embarrassed when you forget a word. You feel like your classmates are smarter. You feel like maybe English is just not for you. I want you to know something.
The problem was never your intelligence. The problem was the method.
You were studying hard, but in the wrong direction.
Now you know the right direction.
Your brain is not weak. It was just not trained properly.
From today, train it right. 3 words a day, connect a feeling, review on time, use in sentences.
That is it. Simple.
Imagine 6 months from today, you're in a conversation, someone says a difficult word, and without thinking, you understand it. You respond confidently, naturally.
That moment is coming, but only if you start today.
Not next Monday, not after exams, today.
Right now, write down 3 words you want to learn this week in the comments.
Or comment this: I'm starting my 3-word daily system today. We read every comment. We believe in every one of you.
You are not behind. You are just beginning.
And beginning is everything.
If this video helped you, subscribe. Share with one friend who needs this.
And comment below what was the most useful part for you today.
We will reply.
See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking, never stop.
Goodbye.